Let's make aromatic spice for pepper chicken. Heat a pan on medium flame and dry roast the following spices. 3 tablespoons black peppercorns. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds. 1 tablespoon cumin seeds. Stir continuously until the spices release their aroma, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 1/2 tablespoon fennel seeds and roast for another minute. Turn off the heat and let the spices cool completely. Blend the spices coarsely using a mixer grinder. For the best flavor, use a mortar and pestle. Transfer the spice blend to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place for up to 2 to 3 months to retain its freshness.